Once in a while, you might receive a payment from a customer with not sufficient funds in their account to cover it. Adagio BankRec can easily generate all the necessary charges and even restore the paid invoices. To set this up, first you need to edit the bank. And on the Series tab, enter the amount you were charged by the bank for an NSF payment. The service charge account is used for the accounting, and the default bank fee is entered here. Also, in the company profile and on the Options tab is the place you enter the default amount that you charge your customer for an NSF payment, and whether you want the accounting to go to the same service charge account on the bank or a specific account assigned here. To record the NSF transactions, from the Maintenance menu, select NSF Receipts. This screen lists the customer receipts that will have the NSFs processed. Edit an existing transaction not yet processed, or click the New button to open the Find Receipt procedure. Enter the bank code for which the receipt was deposited to. This enables the Load button to generate a list of all posted receipts to choose from. Use the deposit reference, customer number, or date and amount ranges to create a more focused selection list. When the desired receipt is found, highlight it in the grid and either double-click it or click the OK button. When selected, a screen appears with default document numbers, references, and amounts for the 3 transactions that will be created: for the cash reversal, the customer NSF charge, and the bank NSF charge to you. All references contain the check number to more easily track the charges. Keep these defaults or edit as required. A 0 amount means that no document is created. If desired, set both charge amounts to 0 in order to simply reverse the payment and restore the customer invoices. When the information is complete, click the OK button to add this NSF transaction to the list. When the list of NSF transactions has been completed, you can print a listing report for all the transactions, or just those for one or more banks. Then highlight each of the records in the grid that you want to process, even if they are not consecutive, and click the Create Batch button to create a new batch for each bank with the NSF transactions. This also restores the original balance of the customer receipt and all the invoices or other transactions it was applied to, even if they had been cleared to history. If any receipt has not yet been posted to the customer record, an error message will appear, and this receipt will be skipped. An NSF posting journal report is available for an audit trail for the created transactions, printable either immediately after creating the batch or from the Post menu and the NSF Posting Journal. A batch in BankRec with a title of NSF Checks will be created and have 2 entries for each NSF entry: the cash reversal and the bank NSF charge to you, if applicable. Post this batch to update the bank balance and create a cash batch in receivables. In receivables, post this cash batch to apply the cash reversal to the restored receipt, and both transaction current amounts will be 0. Also, a receivables invoice batch titled BR NSF batch has been created for the NSF charge you wish to apply to the customer, if applicable. Post this batch to assign the NSF charge as an invoice to the customer. When a customer payment doesn't clear, record the NSF receipt from a single entry. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.